Good evening, welcome back to the channel. I am again at the same place trying to capture the same Shatabdi at MPS. Let's see what happens today. To the first capture of today's evening, WAP 7 with Sangamitra, I think. It was not the Sangamitra, it was Patna KSR Bangalore, sorry, SMVT Bangalore Hamsafar. Today I just woke up from sleep and just ran to capture one train. Didn't expect this to come. Not sure about the timing, pretty sure it's late. But yeah, the signal is still red as you can see. No signs of Shatabdi yet. Let's see what happens. Meanwhile, I found a little friend. Hello? Hello? You want some Gucci's? Hi. Bro is chilling in the sun. And that was the Shatabdi at its best. I mean, not at its best, but at this location, he can only go up to this speed. So, yesterday was a unlucky day, and today we got it. We captured it. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to the channel.